Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the new TikTok video editing screen and how to use it. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. TikTok has now revamped their editing studio, so you can now edit your videos in details. You can adjust the sound, text duration, and the video clips very precisely. So let me show you how it looks and how to edit your videos on this new studio. So first, open up your TikTok app, tap on the plus sign and record a video or upload a video from your phone. Once you've done that, press next. Now on this page, tap on Adjust Clip icon at the right hand side of the screen. This is where you have the new editing studio. At the bottom, you'll see a new timeline where you'll see your clip, and below that, you'll see some extra controls. These extra controls include sync, edit, sound, text, and overlay. So first, let's look at sync. Sync is only available when you have multiple videos on your timeline. So as you can see at the moment, it's grayed out. This tool will basically sync your video with the sound. The next tool which we have is edit. So here you can split, control the speed, adjust the volume, rotate the video, or delete the video. Now let's press back and return back to the editing screen. Next, you can add sound to your TikTok video by tapping on sound and then tap add sound. From here you can select your sound, then you'll see the sound added to your timeline below the video. Now depending on your sound, you can adjust the duration of the sound so it only plays during the duration of the video. Swipe left on the timeline to go to the end of the timeline. Now press and hold the edge of the sound and take it to the left so you decrease the sound duration. Now press back and now you can return back to the editing screen. The next tool is to add text to your video. Tap on text and then tap on add text. Here, enter in your text and it should appear on your timeline. Now this new editing feature allows you to easily set your text duration with ease. Just hold and press on the text in your timeline and move it to wherever you like below the video. You can move it to the front, middle, or the end. Using the edge of the text, you can increase or decrease the duration of the text. If you need to add text to speech, make sure the text is selected and then press text to speech button at the bottom. Now if you want to add more text, go back and tap on text and then add text again. Again, move the text on your timeline by pressing and holding on to the new text you've just added. Now once you're happy, press back and return back to the main editing screen. Now the last tool which you have is the overlay tool. Tap on that. This will let you select a photo or a video from your phone library and you can add it onto your video. This is great for showing two videos at a time, or you can show a photo on your video. Now once you've completed your edit, press save at the top right and then preview your video. If you see a black screen at the end of the video, this means your song or your overlay duration is longer than the video, which is your main object. Go back into Adjust Clip and reduce that duration of your sound or your overlay video. And that is how the new TikTok editing studio looks and how to edit your video on it. If this video gave you any value, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.